One of INEOS's biggest sites is over in Köln, Germany. It's a constant hive of activity, and this summer they announced that they are going to expand their dipropylene glycol capacity. In case your chemical engineering knowledge is a little rusty, Oxide's business manager, Santiago Cirules, knows a thing or two about glycols.
Glycols are they are used as solvents in many industrial processes. Dipropylene glycol, it is used also in many day-to-day applications that we know, like for example home care, skincare products, and also in flavor and fragrances. So for example in perfumes, and we have seen a growing demand in these applications for this product. The most important thing is that we support the growth of our customers in this field.
INEOS Phenol produces chemicals that manufacturers use for products across the globe. From aspirin to adhesive, INEOS Phenol has it covered. Growth in demand in the US has meant that their plant in Alabama is currently expanding, now making it the world's largest phenol production site. There hasn't been much positive news about British industry lately, so trust INEOS to come up with something to smile about. In September, INEOS announced plans to invest £60 million in the Grangemouth chemical site. This expansion will include a 10th furnace and maintains INEOS's commitment to UK manufacturing. And if this wasn't enough good news, the INEOS-sponsored Daily Mile campaign is going from strength to strength. Following an advertising campaign, the number of schools taking part has seen an uplift of 102%, rising to 6,400 schools in 52 countries across the world. That's a whopping 1.3 million children reaping the healthy benefits of the programme.
Well, knowing there are more than 6,000 schools worldwide doing the Daily Mile is very humbling, and I'm very proud of all the people across the world who are making it happen for children. I think it's incredible, and I think it will change the health and well-being of every single child that does it, and that's their mental health and their physical health, and I think it's quite incredible.
On top of that, earlier this year, the London Marathon announced that it was partnering with the Daily Mile in a push to make London the first capital city in the world to have all of its schools signed up to the initiative.
The London Marathon is all about inspiring activity, and the Daily Mile is more than just activity. It's about well-being, it's about physical health, it's about mental health. So it is a fantastic initiative that we are delighted to be partnering to do the Daily Mile and put it into part of their daily life for their school kids.